come to the first numerical, which is based on density, rank, molar mass, and so lithium crystallizes in body centered cubic structure. You are aware formula is density is equal to Z multiplied by M divided by A cube into Na, and we are also aware for BCC rank is 2. So, rank value is 2 for BCC. So, we are aware of Z, Z value is known. Then they are asking determine the density of lithium. Lithium's atomic mass also will be given in the exam. Edge length is available, right? Atomic mass of lithium also will be given. Atomic mass, that is molar mass of the lithium, also will be given. So, Na is already known. What is the value of Na? Edge length. Not Na, Na is Avogadro number 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. So, what is the formula that we use? The formula that we use is D is equal to Z multiplied by M divided by A cube into Na. This is what is the formula that we are aware, where Z or Z stands for rank and M stands for atomic mass and A stands for edge length. We are aware of these factors, and molar mass of lithium, which will be given in the exam, is 7 U, or more often it is given as 7 gram per mole. What is the value of A? A value is 350 picometer. 350 picometer, if you know by the algebraic shortcut, 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Take care that the edge length should be in centimeter and this should be in gram. Then only density will be coming in gram per centimeter cube. So, value of Z 7, not Z, right? Value of Z is 2, atomic mass is 7, A value is 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 8, the whole cube multiplied by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So, if you write down, it is 2 multiplied by 7, 3.5 the whole cube multiplied by 6.022, this is 10 to the power minus 24, 10 to the power 23, that is 10 to the power minus 1. So, if you write down further, density will be 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 3.5 the whole cube multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 1. This is what we get. Now, for board examination, you have to do it by as much as log as much as possible. For MCQ, you can do it by approximation. How to do it? By log. So, actually you can cancel 3.5 and 7 ka factor, but let it remain anyway. Finally, we have to do log only. So, you will take log of numerator. Log of numerator will be log of 2 plus log of 7, like this. What we do is we calculate everything else except the 10. If you want 10 also to be included, then make it 70. What is the characteristic of 2? 0. And what is characteristic of 70? 1. And then you are supposed to see the logbook. From the logbook, remaining values can be calculated. This will give you log of numerator. What next? Similarly, calculate log of denominator. That will be 3 times log of 3.5. You all are aware whatever is cube is actually a multiplication, and you will get a number by seeing a logbook. Characteristic of 3.5 is 0. Remaining part you will see it from logbook, and log of 6.022 characteristic is 0, and you will get the remaining number from the logbook. That is log of denominator. Then log of numerator minus log of denominator will give you a number, and you take anti-log of that number will give you answer. Are you aware how you are supposed to do the log calculation? I am not wasting time calculating individual log values. right? This can be done as a separate session. This is how you are supposed to do the log calculation. In case of MCQ approximation, how we can do? MCQ approximation is density is 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 10. We are doing MCQ approximation, that is 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 6. So, this factor gets cancelled 2. So, you are left with 4 at this place. This is 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, or this is 40. This is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 6. So, we can simplify these numbers to a certain extent, not much. So, you will be left with what? It will be left with 80 upon 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. So, 49 for as good as purpose is 50, because 2 I have taken it on the top. So, it is 80. 80 divided by 7 multiplied by 7, 49. For 49 you can take it as 50 multiplied by 3, and then you simplify as much as possible. You will be able to get the numbers. Are you understanding it how you are supposed to do? That was MCQ approximation. In the board exam, log calculations are compulsory. In our MCQ examination, you have to do by approximation.